This home in Varsity Estates has had a substantial renovation by Riverside Developments. Riverside Developments has been building luxury custom homes and renovations since 2003. We brought this home back to life with matchbook walnut cabinetry, quartzite countertops, and high quality and craftsmanship throughout. Refresh your home with a Riverside renovation and love living in your home again. A renovation with Riverside means there's no need to sacrifice any of the features you would want in a luxury home, like steam showers or in-floor heat, smart home technology. Need more room? Consider a second-story addition or open up walls to create new functional spaces. Riverside will elevate your home to its true potential, bringing your vision to life and creating the home of your dreams. Thanks for watching.